Yes.
all students throughout India had only online classes. That means nobody had live classes. That means there was an impression before the exam that papers will be easy because they are all online classes. But still, he did not give even a single paper easy one. Kal ke papers reasonably good थे. They were not tough. But 16th ke both the papers were extremely tough. So don't be under the impression that online easy रहता, online पढ़ाई, papers easy देता. He is not compromising. What I am trying to tell you is he is not compromising on quality. You should have good command on first year. And if I tell you the joke, last year, for your seniors, for your present seniors, we started classes on April 1st. That too, I finished 3 topics of second year in first year. For your seniors, I finished 3 topics of second year in first year. But still, we shall go एक दो हफ्ता revise करके, then we'll go to second year because government, as I told you earlier, they are contemplating whether to conduct IP exams or not. Just a quick recall. Right about DCs and DRs, the points written so far. DCs can already be out. A quick recall. Recap. Don't write definitions one. If LMN are DCs, what are DRs man? बोलो जी.
Yes. Lambda m, lambda m.
Lambda not equal to 0. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Second one.
If A, B, C are DRs, then DCs are plus or minus A by under root of A square.
DCs are plus or minus A by root of. Correct?
Yes, sir. A square plus B square plus C square.
Plus or minus A by root of. Plus or minus B by root of. Plus or minus C by root of.
Yes.
L1, M1, N1 and are DCs of two lines, and if angle between the lines is theta. Correct? I think this is where we should say. What was cos theta? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. बच्चे लोग हमें correct?
Correct, sir.
And sin theta is equal to. बच्चे लोग don't try to memorize this. I told an easy method now.
Yes, sir.
L1 L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sin theta is under root of correct plus
Correct, sir.
N1 L2 minus plus L1 M2 minus. I think this is where we stopped.
Yes, sir. This is where we start.
Non-Jasims respond.
Yes, sir. This is where we stop.
इसाक हमजा नहीं है क्लास को अभी. We were writing some points man. DRs करके heading लगाया अपन. 1 2 3 4 करके कुछ कर रहे थे अपन.
Yes, sir. 9 points we completed.
क्या बोले?
Yes, sir.
9 points we completed, sir.
9 points we have written, no?
Yes, sir.
Can I move it?
Yes, sir.
Every day if you are seeing first 10 minutes I spend on recalling what has happened in the last class.
Yes, sir.
So that you will write the points again. So it will be a revision for you also. This I maintain right from class 1. Day 1 से कभी भी मैं first recall करके ही start करूंगा. So that it will be a revision for you. Please मैं बोल रहा हूँ first year syllabus जो है should be thorough. Don't feel that exam second year में हम second year में पढ़ लेंगे. Now pay attention. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Abrar told me we wrote 9 points. We are
Yes,
writing, I'm writing 10th point. I want full board. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look here. DCs of two lines are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Then one very important exam में problems में G तोड़ will apply them. One, lines are perpendicular, implies and implied by. What is angle theta? 90.
Yes,
Cos 90,
0.
0. What's the condition?
L1, L2 plus
Plus
M1,
M1
M2
M2 plus N1 M2 is equal to 0.
0.
बच्चे लोग, very important one. Do not write, it will be there on the board, copy letter. Lines are parallel.
Sin theta equal to 0.
Sin theta is 0. When is sin theta 0? Term inside the square root is 0. Term inside the square root 0 means sum of squares is 0. I am writing the proof also. Sin theta 0 implies what one?
Theta is equal to M2.
M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square plus N1 L2 minus N2 L1 whole square plus L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square is 0. Am I correct?
Yes,
When sum of three squares is 0, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square 0. बच्चे लोग मतलब क्या है? मतलब क्या है? Alpha is equal to beta is equals to gamma is equal to 0. Am I correct?
yes, sir. Correct, sir.
First one 0. M1 N2 minus M2 N1 is equal to 0. M1 N2 is equal to M2 N1. What is M1 by M2?
N1 by
M1 by N2. Similarly, बोलो मेरे को L1 by L2 is equal to N1 by N2. Similarly, L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2. What do these three imply? A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Law of trichotomy. Alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma. What does it mean? Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Stands for, bolo.
M1 by M2, L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2 equal to N1 by N2.
So lines are parallel if and only if L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2 is equal to N1 by N2. Now, pay attention, man. Do not write. Listen here. Look here. Hopefully, you are looking at the screens. Do not write. Do not copy. Listen to this. Very important. एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछता है एप्लीकेशन इसका. Pay attention. DRs of two lines are A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 with a angle between them being theta. Then बच्चे लोग pay attention. DRs are A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. What are DCs? बोलो मैम. A1 by root of
A1 square
A1
plus
square plus B1 square. A2
B1
by
by root of
A1
A1
square
square plus
C1 by root of.
C1 A1
square plus
square
B1
plus
square plus
B1 C1.
Similarly, others. These are DCs. DC is theta. What was the angle cos theta?
L1 L2 M1 L2
What was cos theta? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. So what will be cos theta? A1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 by root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Am I correct?
yes sir.
sir.
Therefore, can you give me what is cos theta?
Yes sir. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by under root of A1
A1
square
A2 plus B1 B2 plus
Plus
C
C1 C2
by under root of
A1 square plus
A1 square plus B1 square plus C1
into under root of
A2 square
A2
plus
square plus
B2
B2
square plus C2 square.
2. Same thing happens even for parallel and perpendicular. What happens if the lines are perpendicular? Theta is 90, cos 90 0, numerator 0 gives me what?
A1 A2 plus B1 B2
1 B2 plus
B1
C1 C2 is
B2
equals to 0.
plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. 3. Lines are parallel. Same thing will happen. A1 by A2 equal to C1 by
C2.
copy this. Very, very, very important.
Sir, completed, sir.
Others, non-Jasims, respond.
Sir, completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Can I clear 10th one?
Yes, sir.
Look here. All of you. I can give direct formula, but I'm not giving. I'm trying to give you the proofs. So that proofs will help you to increase your IQ levels. Pay attention. Once again, one more important point. All of you, hopefully, you're all looking at your screens. Pay attention. Look here. DRs of line joining the points A x1 y1 z1, B x2 y2 z2 are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And DCs of line joining A and B are plus or minus rata, plus or minus y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, where what is my AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. इसका भी I'm seeing how things are taught to JL41. सब चीज formula. Pay attention. Look here, man. I have a line AB. From A and B, draw perpendiculars onto x-axis. Let them meet x-axis in points called, say, L and M. From B, drop a perpendicular onto BM. Let this be N. Let DCs of ABB element. Then, bachalo, by definition, what is L is equal to?
Cos alpha.
Cos alpha. Cos beta.
N is equal to
Cos gamma.
cos gamma. Now look here. What is the length from here to here? We drop a perpendicular onto x-axis. What are the coordinates of L? x1, 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
Coordinates of M?
It's 2,
2,
0.
0, 0.
So what is this length?
X1.
X1,
What is this length?
X2,
So what is beach wala LM length?
X2 minus
बोलो जी.
X2 minus
X2
X1.
minus X1.
X2 minus X1. This length is X1. Look at my fingers. This
Yes,
length is X1. This length is X2. So what is beach wala length?
X2 minus
X2 minus X1. This line is making an angle alpha with x-axis. So what is this angle, man? Alpha. Because I dropped a perpendicular onto x-axis. These two are parallel. So this angle will be alpha. In triangle ABN, बच्चे लोग, what is cos alpha? बच्चे लोग, I am waiting.
AN by
Cos
BN.
alpha.
AN by AB.
AN by AB. वाह, बहुत दिन के बाद हमारा अदनान का वॉइस न लिया. What is AN? LM. What is LM? X2 minus X1 by AB. Am I correct?
yes, sir.
So what is your cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma? DCs. Hence, DCs of AB are, बोलो जी,
X2
minus X1 by AB, Y2 minus Y1 by AB. Similarly, Z2 minus Z1 by AB. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What are DRs? DRs are L is to M is to N. What is L is to M is to N?
X2 minus X1.
X2 minus
AB will cancel off. X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. Am I correct?
so
Yes, sir.
Hence the statement. Hence the statement. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Copy this. Done.
1 minute, sir, please.
In the last line, drs are lh2 m2 n is equal to x2 minus x1 is to y2 minus y or comma से
comma.
So you see, that's the reason why a line can have infinitely many DRs.
Yes, sir.
yes,
अभी आप रेशियो ले लिए करके ये भी कर गया.
yes sir.
You multiply it by any constant, but they'll all be proportional to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1.
Yes sir.
कल करना चाहिए अपन.
Yes sir, correct.
एक मिनट. I think it was याद है?
Yes sir, yeah.
Yes.
These are DRs. Sorry, these are DCs. What are DRs?
7.
लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई करो.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अबरार, इसको
Yes sir.
लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई करो. लैम्डा क्या हो सकता? कुछ भी हो सकता.
Yes sir.
So that's the reason why it has a line has unique DCs, but infinitely many DRs. Unique DCs, infinitely many DRs. Correct?
Yes sir, correct. Completed sir.
Your weekend syllabus, advanced paper, entire vector algebra. I repeat. Shall I first one? What is cos theta formula? Cos theta formula.
L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 M2.
What is your theta? L1 L2. M1 M2.
Yes.
N1 N2.
Root 3 by 2 into K.
Give me the answer.
-2 by root 3.
Cos 120 is
-1 by
minus 1 by 2. Root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4.
3 by 16.
4 by 16 is 1 by 4. What is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Root 3 goes root 3 times, 2 goes 2 times. Is it minus root 3 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Next one. अभी किससे अटैक करना है? यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट डिसीज. यहाँ पे किससे अटैक करना है? dr से अटैक करना है. What are drs of x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 line joining? What are they? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will be drs of OP? बोलो. drs of OP. Am I correct?
Yes.
So what is cos of angle POQ? 4 into minus 2, 3 into 1, minus 5 into minus 8. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
By denominator under root of 4 square, 3 square, minus 5 whole square into under root of minus 2 whole square, 1 square, minus 8 whole square. Give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Shall I? What's the answer?
1 minute. Please.
Numerator how much?
Sir, doing sir.
Numerator is minus 40.
Minus 8, minus 40, minus 48,
No.
plus 3.
No, sir. 40 minus 40 plus 3, 43 minus 8.
Okay. 43
35.
minus 8, how much?
35.
43 minus 8, how much, man?
35.
35.
35. Modulus ले लो, acute angle. Denominator. First one, under root of. बोलो.
Pi root 2.
So root 5.
Sorry, sir.
Square root में ले लो. 25, 25.
Pi root 2, sorry, pi root 2.
Second one,
That's 69.
69. So this will act as. No, B greater than C बोला. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is your B minus C? Chemistry class started?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can log out, log in at 11:15. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir.